Have you ever wondered what German supermarkets look like on the inside, what kind of products they sell, if there's a self-checkout option? Well, today I'm going to be answering all of those questions for you, and I'm going to be taking you along with me. We're gonna go grocery shopping on a Monday. It could be pretty full in there, but we're gonna hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Okay, so let's do a haul of everything I got, and I got a lot. This is heavy. Oh my god, something exploded in there. Oh, that exploded in there. Okay, got stuff to make a salad, spinach and normal salad, ground beef. I really love this corn. I'm pretty sure I even showed it in the video, but it's basically pre-marinated corn. You just stick it in the oven, and it's delicious. It's so good. Frozen blueberries is a must. Cottage cheese, high protein. And this is my new obsession, okay? I know canned tuna is the big thing and it's delicious, but have y'all ever tried like different kinds of canned fish? These are not anchovies, it's something totally different. I'm pretty sure it's not cod either, but it's really delicious. I don't know, it's called Braterings. Braterings in German, Filet. And a lot of sweet potatoes, some peaches, and some avocado. I'm gonna start by opening this and just putting it in the pan as it is. I don't know how to cook pork. Here's the steak. And the other one. And this is basically what it looks like. I'm just gonna cover it with something. I don't have an actual cover for it, so I'm gonna start with the salad preparation. I'll take some of these leaves as well. A little bit of spinach. Guys, I have the best trick. I literally never use a cutting board. I just cut things in the air. So yeah, basically, I just cut things like this. It works. Some green onion. I'm gonna use all of this, I think. Green onion, tomatoes. I'm gonna add some pickles. Putting it in the air again, like this, and out, and then like so. A little bit of chipotle sauce, but just a bit. That.